Today we'll keep working with rational functions and expressions. We'll just start simplifying with multiplication and division as well. So I'll start here, actually, multiplication. When you have multiple expressions being multiplied, you just cancel like regular. Like here, these are just plain numbers. I can cancel the 2 and the 14 to become 1 and 7, or the 6 and the 3 can both divide by 3 to become 2 and 1. Then I multiply the top and the bottom, and I get 2/7. It's one way of reducing fractions. I mean, you could always do 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times 14 is 42, and reduce that, divide those both by 6. That way's usually longer. Well, here, I have more common factors. Think of all these things like they're split up with parentheses. That's what the fraction bar does. It groups things up into parentheses. So the x plus 3's can cancel. I get x minus 6 over x minus 5, and I know that x cannot be 5. Here I need to factor. I don't know what the factors are yet. So the top left can factor into x plus 4, x plus 1. The bottom left, x plus 4, x minus 1. The top right is a difference of squares, x plus 1, x minus 1. And then the bottom right is also a difference of squares, x plus 4, x minus 4. And I'll cancel whatever can cancel. Well, this plus 4 can cancel with either of these plus 4s. Well, it doesn't matter which one, I'll cancel this one. This minus 1 here can cancel with this minus 1 here. These plus 1s can't cancel because they're both on top. So what I'm going to be left with is x plus 1 on top times x plus 1, or x plus 1 squared. And on bottom I have x plus 4 times x minus 4. I would probably write that like this. X plus 1 squared over x plus 4 times x minus 4. So x cannot be 4 or negative 4, plus or minus 4. Factor, then cancel. That's really what I could call this chapter. This chapter is called Factor and Cancel, or maybe Factor and Do Things. That's probably what I'll call it, Factor and Do Things. Division is the same. You just take your division, switch it to multiplication, and then cancel like you're multiplying. So this is a fraction inside a fraction, 2/3 divided by 4/5. It really means this. 2/3 divided by 4/5. I can take the second fraction and flip it over and get 2/3 times 5/4, which is 10/12. I can reduce to 5/6. I could cancel the 2 and the 5 here if I wanted to. Well, here, this division, I'm going to take the second fraction and flip it over. So I'll factor the top left. It's x plus 3, x minus 3. And I'll factor the bottom left. It's x minus 9, x plus 1. And this I'll flip over, so it's 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 over x squared minus 6x plus 9. And I'll try and factor the right half of this. So we have x plus 3, x minus 3, x minus 9, x plus 1, times, the top can factor, I believe, into 2x and x, and 1 and 1. Yeah, 2x plus 1, x plus 1. The bottom is x minus 3 times x minus 3, or x minus 3 squared. Cancel, cancel, and nothing else cancels here. So it's x plus 3 times 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 9 times x minus 3. X cannot be 9 or 3. So it's more of what we've been doing, it's just got more layers. Multiplying and dividing with division, you flip the fraction and multiply. Cancel common factors after you've factored. Thank you, have a nice day.